What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of the week so far, and welcome to your daily update on Dogecoin. We're going to do a full update. There's some things to talk about here because Dogecoin in general yesterday was relatively strong. All right, we had actually found some sort of a consolidation, but unfortunately, yesterday afternoon and yesterday evening, the market did turn a little bit more sour. All right. Which at some point of time that was going to happen. It's just the market. You're not going to be extremely bullish all the time. But what that means for Dogecoin here is that this big move we had on Saturday is a fake out. All right, yesterday we still managed to break above 42 cents here, and what we talked about is that if we can actually hold this trend right here, that's great, and we can still break above 44 cents, and we're in this consolidation. But we never managed to break back above 43 cents here, and again, which, as you can see, it seems like a bit of a bearish breakout, right? Because that was a bit of support here, or at least it should have been. Broke down below that, retested, so that's a bearish confirmation. And then in general, what you can see right here as well, and that happened mostly yesterday afternoon and overnight, is that because of a weaker Bitcoin is still bullish, but it's weaker, and a stronger Bitcoin dominance, altcoins suffered. All right, and what that meant for Dogecoin is that we broke down below the trend band here on the 4-hour time frame, which, by the way, if you zoom out, this is still very bullish, right? So I am still bullish on Dogecoin. It's just that on the lower time frames right now, if you take a look at that, that trend shift on the 4-hour time frame, in combination with, in general, a lack of momentum or a decrease in momentum, I have to say it's most likely that will continue. All right, and at the moment. And that's usually the case. Look, you can see that the altcoin market is very correlated here. So all of the altcoins just move together with each other. Some are outperforming, but they're not outperforming by much. So what happens then is that altcoins, including Dogecoin here, are just dependent on Bitcoin. So Dogecoin at the moment has a strong support level here at 39 cents. It's for real a strong support level. It's the 236 fib here of the entire move up, of the entire move up since October or something. And then you also have the monthly POC and the previous week POC there. So you have a ton of volume traded at that level, which makes it a strong support level. So this is a strong support level, but given the circumstances where we are still losing momentum, where the volume is still decreasing, and where I think it's too early to say that Bitcoin has found support, I think Bitcoin can still drop down lower. I think it's most likely, and I think it's best to assume we're going to drop down lower into this level right here at 36 and 35 cents. Now, I do think we'll hold that strong level, also on the higher time frames here, and it's also the bottom of the previous range, which we were in and arguably still are in. So I do think that will hold, but right now the big question is all right, well, will 39 cents hold, or will 35 and 36 cents hold? And since Bitcoin has not had any bullish reclaim yet, I think it's most likely will drop down lower before finding support right here. All right? That's what I would say it's most likely. But the most important thing to look at, if you actually want to know when Dogecoin is finding support, is Bitcoin. All right, if Bitcoin is able to actually get some sort of a bullish reclaim here above this level it has at, let's say, 94,000, then Bitcoin has most likely found the bottom here. And then it's also most likely on the short term that Dogecoin will hold its own here. But ultimately, zooming out, Dogecoin right now is back in this range right here, between 35 and 43 cents. So it's not bullish on the lower time frames, and we're waiting for one of these two levels to break before entering again, or we're waiting for that lower bound, lower range bound to hit before entering again. But yeah, so at the moment this seems most likely. I will keep you updated on this though. I'll talk to you all tomorrow, and in general I'll keep my eyes on Dogecoin. But that's what I think you need to know for now. So have a great day. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.